with Israel, the latest issue is of Gaza. What is Gaza? 1967, Israel captured the Six-Day War. 1991, they wanted to return. Egypt said, no, we don't want it. Let them have their government. Yasser Arafat is elected there. Yasser Arafat died in November 2004. After that, elections were held in 2007. Hamas was a fighting group which was a breakup from the Egyptian Muslim Brotherhood, Ikhwanul Muslimin, and Hamas is a short form for Hukumat al-Muakhama al-Islamiyya. Hamas was formed in 1941 and one of the main founders was Sheikh Ahmad Yassin. They were a militant group. They said, we will not listen to Israel, we want entire Israel. Since 1971, they kept on fighting. Finally, just a little before 2007, they agreed, we are also ready to agree, let Israel be where it is since 1967. 2007 March, elections happen. Hamas is declared the majority party in Gaza and the West Bank. In West Bank, Yasser Arafat's group, his Fatah movement, led by Mahmoud al-Abbas, they revolt against Hamas. They take away West Bank from him, from them who are democratically elected. They are left to Gaza. 12th June 2014, 3 Israelis are kidnapped in West Bank. 15th June, Netanyahu says, Hamas people kidnapped. 25 July 2014, BBC reporter, the reporter tweeted that on speaking to the spokesperson of Israeli police, Mr. Mickey, he said that there is no evidence that Hamas has kidnapped them. 17th July onwards, a war is declared on Gaza saying, we are very sure Hamas kidnapped. And this is what is happening since then. With this lecture, will this end? No. Because they don't want to capture Gaza. They merely don't want to capture only that region. They have bigger plans. For them, Gaza has become suddenly important. Why? Because a British company lately informed them that in the Mediterranean Sea, bordering Gaza, there is a lot of oil. 18th June 2014, recently, 18th June 2014, the Hindu English newspaper, page number 8, it gave a report and it said, Roosevelt, who is the first president to agree with Israel, he called up the British counterpart in 1944, 1945. He said to him, you British, you take the Persian oil for yourself. The oil in Iraq and Kuwait, America and UK, we will share with each other. Saudi Arabian oil is ours, don't look there. Not to remain rulers. All this game is required, man. That is the name of the game.